It's the water of us. Hey! We get it. And we go over here, and we spray Austin in the face, and in the air, and up the nose. Wait, this isn't even full. What the hell? Go fill it.
Oh, yeah, it is. Abby, go. No. Abby, go.
You okay, Oz?
You open this up, put water, and close it. Try.
Wow, plan sabotage. Maybe, go work on it.
Let's go outside.
Oz is dying.
Watch this. Oh!
Loser. Ow. Ow.
Hi, Oz.
Ow. Oh. Oh.
And head.
Oh.
Abby, let me have that.
Hey, give me the gun. Did you fill it?
No.
Get it.
How?
Here.
People in the bathroom. Ready? Ready? I think it's ready.
Chloe.
Oh, God. Oops, sorry.
No.
Hangovers.
Yeah, like at Christmas, I was pregnant with Abby and I kept straight going, I can smell urine. Like, I can smell. And he goes, oh, you just, you know how your smell is tight, right? I go, Dwayne, you have
Where'd you guys go?
I need here to check this out. And it was. It was a tight.
You just need more water.
No, he threw it in there.
Oh, that would do it. But this is Austin. We have been tormenting him.
For about a half an hour.
Sit on him.
Okay.
No. Oh.
La 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 la. Close in the ear, in the nose, up the ear. La 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 la. La,
I'll do that.
Here you go, ahead. Your turn. In the ear. In the ear. Isn't it great? Isn't it fun? Yay! Got Hannah. Say hi. There's Hannah.
Hi.
And that's the
There's a pool
video.
of water in my ear.
Where did he put? And down the back shirt.